Want to keep more of your hard-earned money? With the tax year ending soon, now is the time to take advantage of these 5 UK tax breaks you might be missing. Let's dive in. Number 1. Max out your ISA allowance. Every UK taxpayer gets an annual ISA allowance of £20,000. Any money you put into a stocks and shares ISA, cash ISA, or lifetime ISA is shielded from tax. If you haven't used your full allowance yet, act fast. It doesn't roll over into the next tax year. For example, if you have £5,000 sitting in a regular savings account earning minimal interest, moving it into a cash ISA could mean tax-free returns. And if you invest it in a stocks and shares ISA, you could benefit from potential long-term growth without paying capital gains tax. Number 2, claim tax relief on pension contributions. Did you know that contributions to your pension reduce your taxable income? If you're a basic rate taxpayer, the government tops up your pension by 25%. Higher rate taxpayers can claim even more through their tax return. For instance, if you're a higher rate taxpayer earning over £50,270, for every £100 you contribute to your pension, you effectively only pay £60 after tax relief. This is an easy way to boost your retirement savings while paying less tax today. Number 3, use the Marriage Allowance. If you or your spouse earns under £12,570 and the other is a basic rate taxpayer, you can transfer up to £1,260 of your personal tax allowance to them. This could save you hundreds of pounds each year in tax. For example, if your partner earns £10,000 and you earn £35,000, you could claim this allowance and reduce your household tax bill by up to £252 per year. It only takes a few minutes to apply online via the HMRC website. Number 4. Take advantage of the Dividend Allowance. If you own shares or receive dividends, you can earn £1,000 tax-free this tax year. But from April 2025, this allowance is dropping to £500, so make sure to use it while you can. If you're receiving dividends from company shares or running a side business as a limited company, consider taking your dividends before April 5th to maximise this year's tax-free allowance. Number 5. Claim work-from-home tax relief. If you work from home at least some of the time, you may be able to claim tax relief on household expenses like heating, broadband and electricity. Even if your employer doesn't contribute, HMRC lets you claim a flat rate of £6 per week, which adds up to over £300 per year in tax savings. Even better, if you incur extra costs beyond this, such as an upgraded internet connection, you may be able to claim for a portion of those costs, further reducing your tax bill. Bonus tip, check if you qualify for capital gains, tax, CGT exemptions. If you've sold an asset, like a second home or shares outside of an ISA, you may owe capital gains tax. However, everyone gets an annual tax-free allowance of £6,000, dropping to £3,000 next year. If you're thinking about selling assets, consider doing it before April to maximise your tax-free gains. For instance, if you've held stocks outside of an ISA that have grown significantly, selling before the tax year ends could help you avoid paying unnecessary CGT by using up your tax-free allowance. Those were 5 quick tax breaks you might be missing before the UK tax year ends. Which one will you take advantage of? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more UK-focused finance, productivity and life upgrade tips, hit subscribe and stay ahead of the game.